have sky train there.
It's some.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
To thank them verbally, because we really would not be able to do this without them. Our terabyte sponsors, Creative BC, our megabyte sponsors, ANPD Technologies, Animal Logic,
That were nominated were, except for Joan. Joan was on my left.
There was a small one in the bathroom. But anyway, it's been.
All my amazing things.
Oh, yes.
In the slides, Spark Animation is actually continuing on until the end of November.
This talk is going to be shorter than the list of.
Oh, wait, we have stuff. Hold on to it, we're going to do a little signing later. 069. Come on down. 069. Come on down. Thank you all so much for being here. It's super exciting to have you back.
I'm so happy you.
Okay, so event is done. I'm going back to home.